Just finished oiling two pieces for foosball tabletops. And I thought I should say something. I've mentioned this before, but I thought I would dedicate a video to it, and that is wood density and oil finishes. And what do I mean by that? If you need to know the density of your wood, and you'll know it by working with it. The harder the wood is, the denser it is. The type of wood, an open grain versus a closed grain, will make a difference. And the stage of the wood. For example, if it's near a knot or where the tree was growing, it's going to have a tighter grain. And therefore, it's not going to sink in as much. Whereas some wood, like this one right here, this is a butternut. And you can see a wide difference between the rings. So being soft and that wide distance, I can imagine that oil is going to go in there really good. Other woods, like this one, a tight grain, you don't want to leave excess on it because it will not go in. Whereas this one, you can see it's already looking drier right here. This butternut or white walnut's going to suck it up easy. So that's one reason I like to come back in about 12 hours, 8 hours, and give it its second coat. And then in another 8 hours, wipe off excess. So right here we have some excess. And that may stay there. That's a pretty hard wood right there, but we'll see. If it's there later, we'll be wiping it off. Or just evening it out. You know, wipe it into the areas that are going to suck it up more. Sometimes when I'm oiling, I'll oil the pieces that I know are going to suck up the oil the most and then do the rest and then come back and hit them with another coat. So I know most people are not doing what I'm doing, and that is using multiple species in the same project. So your project will probably be one species of wood, and that wood will pretty much take the oil pretty much evenly throughout the project. In my case, I love mixing species. I get more dynamic color. So for me, there is differences in density and how well the oil will suck in. How much the wood will take up the oil. Okay. Looking great though. Beautiful. I have two more I need to oil. I need to give these one more coat tonight. We'll have, I think, 2 sets of foosball tabletops complete. Maybe over 2.